Will Wiseman, CEO and co-founder of Climatize, and we have California Energy Commissioner Noemi Gallardo and Quackles here, our representative from the Quick Quack Car Wash Station. And so we're here for the ribbon cutting ceremony of this portfolio of EV charging stations. On Climatize, 169 investors funded over $1 million to fund this portfolio of charging stations here. So we're super excited to be ultimately bringing this project to life.
Yeah.
So we have Robert Hymes here, the Chief Development Officer of Mynt Systems. They are the project developers who help build these AMPS EV charging stations. Rob, you're charging up your Ford F-150 Lightning here. You want to give us some comments about bringing this project to life?
You know, really an incredible accomplishment all around. The partnerships, especially, you know, we've got Climatize and all of your investors that have come through, partnership with Quick Quack. It really is a story of partnerships, relationships coming together and staying focused on the vision. You know, 3 years ago, this was just a dirt lot. And Quick Quack approached us, said, hey, we're being pushed by the city to install a fueling station. And we said, hey, how about an EV charging station instead of gas station? And they liked the idea. We brought it to the city, and when they said, sure, that qualifies. And so that's what got it all started. And one thing led to another. We worked with the city, worked with the utility, we worked with Climatize to raise the money. We worked with the California Clean Energy Commission to also receive a $500,000 grant for the project. We've registered with the California Air Resources Board to receive a low carbon fuel credit incentive. And so really it is a story of collaboration, relationships, and community building. It's a beautiful site to see it operational now, and it's been a fun day.
Well, thanks, Rob. It's been a real pleasure collaborating with Mynt on this project, and honestly, really proud to see these projects come to life.
Yeah.
Let's do it again.
Yeah, thanks again to Climatize too. Yeah, let's do it again.
The Energy Commission is proud to be part of this collaborative effort. We are very excited to support electric vehicles throughout California. We also very proud to support electric vehicle infrastructure, which is critical to making sure that more California families can have electric vehicles. We need to make the infrastructure accessible, and that's exactly what Climatize and Mynt are doing. So we're really proud to be part of this solution here.
Well, thank you so much for supporting these kinds of projects with smart public policy like the Cal EVIP and the low carbon fuel standards. So initiatives like that in California were big parts of how these EV charging stations came to life. So we're appreciative of the California Energy Commission, our partners at Mynt Systems and at Quick Quack. So Quackles.